Namaste everyone, as we are going through the chapter perimeter and area. So today we will be solving some of the questions from 11.4. So let me read the question of 11.4, question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. So this is a cardboard. Okay, let us give the name. This is A, B, C, D. So ABCD is a cardboard which is rectangular in shape. Length is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its side. So as you can see 1.5, there is a margin. Okay, so let us give a name P and this is Q R S. Okay, so this you can see P Q R S, this is a margin and the width of the margin is 1.5 centimeter from all the side. Okay, from the length and the breadth side it is 1.5 centimeter width. So we have to find out the total area of the margin. So this shaded region is the area of the margin we have to find out. So let us first calculate the area of triangle ABCD. So let us find the area of this rectangle ABCD. So area of rectangle ABCD, it is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth. So our length is okay. Your length is AB into breadth is BC. Okay. So 8 into 5, that is 8 5s are 40 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of rectangle PQRS. Before that we have to calculate the length PQ and PS. Okay, so length PQ, it is equal to, as you can see, okay, the AD it is how much? It is 5. Okay, PQ I am going to PQ, that is the length AB you can see it is 8 centimeter. Now what will be the length of this PQ? We have to subtract 1. So we have to calculate the PQ. Okay, so how we can calculate this PQ? We have to subtract, okay, 1.5 from both sides. Okay, now let us AB minus, okay, 1.5 plus 1.5. As you can see, okay, AB is 8 centimeter and this side the width is 1.5 centimeter, again here 1.5 centimeter. So that is 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 centimeter. So if I subtract, okay, 8 minus 3, it will be 5 centimeter. So PQ will be 5 centimeter. Now let us calculate PS. Okay, breadth, it is PS, it is equal to AD minus again 1.5 plus 1.5. Why we are using this? Now you see AD already it is given, it is 5 centimeter. Okay, now here the width is 1.5, again 1.5. So 1.5 means 3 centimeter. So if I subtract 3 from 5 centimeter, we will get PS. Okay, so 5 minus 3, it is 2 centimeter. So therefore area of rectangle PQRS, okay, it will be equal to PQ into PS, that is length into breadth. Okay, so it will be 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of this margin. Therefore area of the margin, it is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD. Okay, I am writing in shortcut area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle PQRS. So it will be equal to 40 minus 10 centimeter square, that is 30 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. So now let us move to question number 5. A path of 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meters. So this is a square garden. Let us give a name. A, B, C, D is a square garden. Okay. And a path of 1 meter wide. So this is the path. Okay. This is the path. As you can see this by the shaded region. So this is 1 meter width. Okay. The path is 1 meter width all around. And you have to find the area of this path. Again, the remaining portion, okay, it is already given. The cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square. So you have this remaining portion, okay, it is planted with grass. So, and it is given mentioned in the question that per meter square it cost 40 rupees. So what will be the total cost of planting in this region? We have to calculate. So let us start. So at first we have to find the area of square ABCD. So area of square ABCD, it is equal to side into side. So that is 30 into 30, it is 900 meter square. Okay, now we have to find the area of inside square, that is PQRS. Let us give a name. So area of PQRS, before that we have to know the side PQ. So what will be the side PQ? Side PQ, it is equal to 30 minus 1 plus 1, okay, it is centimeter. So 30 minus 2, that is 28 centimeter. So how we have calculated this? As you can see, we have to find PQ. Suppose, so AB is 30 and you see from both the side 1 meter it is reduced, okay, 1 meter 1 meter, so that is 2 meter, 2 meter is reduced. So from AB if I subtract 2, this length PQ we can calculate, and in a square all the sides are equal. So if I find out PQ, we can say RQ, RS and SP, all these will be equal. Okay, now we have to find the area of PQRS. So area of square PQRS, it is equal to, again we can side into side. So it is 28 into 28. So let us multiply. It is 784 centimeter, it is meter square. Now we have to find this area of path. Sorry, it will be meter, okay. Now we have to find area of path, that is the shaded region. So for that we have to subtract this small square, area of small square, from this area of big square, okay. That is equal to, we can write AR dot, that is area of SQ means square, area of square ABCD minus area of square PQRS. So it is equal to 900 minus 784 meter square. Okay, so it is 116 meter square. So the area of the path, it is 116 meter square as it is given 5 1. We have to find this area of the path. Now in 2 number they have asked the cost of planting. Okay, so therefore cost of planting, therefore the cost of planting, okay, cost of planting, it is grass, it is equal to, that is area of this PQRS into 40. So area of square PQRS into 40, that is rupees 40. So it will be rupees, area of square PQRS, it is 784 into 40. So it is rupees 31360. So this is our final answer. So now let us move to question number 9. The question is, okay, the adjoining figure represent a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. So this is a rectangular lawn, the length is 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter, and this is the circular flower bed which is whose radius is 2 meter. So number 1, the area of the whole land. So we have to find the area of the whole land. Let us give the name. This is A, B, C, D. So area of the whole land, area of the whole land, it is nothing but rectangle ABCD, which is equal to L into B. Okay, so it is 10 into 5, that is 10 5 is 50 meter square. Number 2, the area of the flower bed, the area of the flower bed, it is nothing but, it is a circle. So we have to write area of circle formula. Okay, so that is pi r square. So pi value, okay, we can take 3.14 into r, that is 2 square. So 3.14 into 4, which is equal to 12.56 meter square. Number 3, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So the area of the lawn excluding the flower bed, it is equal to, we have to subtract 12.56 from 50 meter square. So this is the portion. Okay, this shaded portion is the excluding the flower bed. So it will be 50 minus 12.56. Okay, that is equal to, it is 37.44 meter square. Number 4, the circumference of the flower bed, the circumference of the flower bed, it is nothing but the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. So it is 2 into, okay, 3.14 into 2. So that is 2 to the 4. Now 3.14 into, so it will be 12.556 meter. So this is the final answer of this question. So with this I want to conclude, and the rest of the questions we will be discussing on the online class. That's all. Thank you.